Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and not miss out on anything you need to scale your cleaning business to six figures and beyond. How? So, have you ever wanted to become a vendor for Sam's Club? Yes, yes, yes. I actually was a vendor for Sam's Club and truly made great money being a vendor. They paid on time and the requirements weren't that stringent. So if you want to know what you need to do to become a Sam Club's vendor with over 600 locations in the United States alone, then stay tuned, because in this video, I'm going to tell you exactly what you need to do. And if you stay to the end, like always, I have a little bonus for you, so that way you can make sure that you reach your six figures and beyond. So here we go. When you are becoming a Sam's vendor, you want to make sure that you have your EIN. You want to make sure that you have your DUNS number. Now, for those of you that are doing government cleaning contracts, DUNS is usually associated with Sam's. But now, Sam's has their own way to get your UEI number, which is your unique entity identifier number, which is completely different from Sam's. So if you watch a lot of my videos, I talk about making sure you go to Duns and Bradstreet, not only for back in the day when you needed to get a DUNS number, but always, because doing business, as long as you're looking to scale your business, which I'm quite sure if you're looking at these videos, you're looking to do that, it never ever hurts to have a DUNS number. So go to dunsandbradstreet.com, dnb.com, and obtain your DUNS number. Now, it may take a little longer. Sometimes it could be 2 weeks. Sometimes it could be up to 4 weeks, but get started on that. And then once you've done that, you're simply going to go to the link that is going to be provided. And I'm going to tell you exactly where I'm going to provide it towards the end of the video. But you're going to go to that link and you're going to register. Now, the things that they're looking for is to make sure that you have your either business license or your LLC. You want to make sure you have that differentiator, because sometimes they're going to want to interview you and you want to be set. So any video I talk about, I'm going to talk about making sure that you find a way to differentiate yourself. It could be through the experience your team has. It could be that you have a great guarantee. It could be simply the way your equipment or your supplies. But you want to make sure that you are ready. Now, I'm going to give you the 3 states where there are more than any other place. Let's go. The first is Florida. There's over 84 locations in Florida. The next is going to be Texas, which are around 60, and then California. So those 3 states, but they're in every state, and you just want to check and make sure that they're in an area close to you. So all you have to do is just simply Google Sam Club's locations. It's going to give you a list so you know for sure if this is going to be a great fit for you to become a vendor. Now, thank you so much for watching this video. I'm going to talk about where and how you're actually going to register. To become a Sam's Club vendor, you're simply going to click the link. It's in our Facebook group. Our Facebook link is right in the description. So I love to give that to you, because like I said, they've got all kinds of things, but you know my favorite, restrooms and floors, and they have quite a few of those. So don't delay, get started right away. And you want to make sure that you're also going to visit our actual workshop, where I talk about so many things on scaling your business to 6 figures and beyond. Pow! So make sure you join us for our free workshop all about the start and the scale to 6 figures. I give you specific things you need, which are attraction, acquiring, and retention. And of course, I'm going to tell you so many other things from what you need to do to get started and why you need to make sure that you know this one thing, the one thing that makes all the difference. I'm going to give that to you in the workshop. So make sure you join our Facebook group, download that link. That is the bonus I have for you. And until next time, be safe and take care. Don't forget to sign up for our workshop. Space is limited. And so until the next video, be safe, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.